Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll be reflecting on two prominent learning theories which are behaviorism and constructivism, based on my own learning experiences and how I relate them to my current role as an English teacher for Year 1 and Year 2 students. So we'll be exploring on how these theories connect to real life learning and teaching practices. Okay, let's start with behaviorism. So this theory focuses on observable behaviors and emphasize learning through reinforcement, repetition, and association. So while I was learning English as a second language, I remember how my teacher used to use repetitive drills to help us memorize vocabulary and grammar. For example, we would practice sentence structure like I am going to the school, and then we would substitute words to create new sentences like she is going to the park, he is going to the mall. So we would practice the over and over, and then the teacher would provide immediate feedback like either giving praise for correct answers, or she would correct our mistakes, and this reinforce a proper usage of the grammar. And this aligns perfectly with behaviorism, as positive reinforcement strengthens desired behaviors. And in my classroom, I applied this by using strategies such as flashcard for vocabulary, and then song and repetitive chants to help my students internalize patterns, and a reward system like stickers or verbal praise to motivate and reinforce correct usage of the learning. Next, let's move on to constructivism, which emphasizes active learning and building knowledge through experiences and interaction. Um, I remember when I was tasked with creating a presentation on cultural topic. So I would do my research independently, collaborate with my peers, and then presented our findings to the class. Now, this hands-on process helped me retain the information and understand the topic more deeply. This connects to constructivism because it highlights learning as an active process where knowledge is built um, through prior understanding and social interaction. So what I did for my year 1 and year 2 students, I use constructivist methods such as role playing or storytelling, where they create or act out scenarios using new vocabulary that they just learned. Or we would do exploration activities like matching words to pictures, matching words to pictures using clues, encouraging them to form their own connection between the language and meaning. Now, to conclude my experiences with these theories, uh, behaviorism builds foundational skills through repetition and reinforcement, while constructivism encourages meaningful application and deeper understanding. In my classroom, I strive to combine both approaches. I use behaviorist strategies to instill core skills and constructivist activities to help students actively engage with English language. And that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Bye.